You know, Miami is a playground in a way. It's very relaxed, and yet it's sophisticated, and there's an elegance about it. When we first went to the site, the views were magnificent. This will be a unique building for that area. It is set apart from the other buildings, so it has space around it. One of the devices we used to relate our architecture to was the Riva boat, because they're so beautifully designed. And yet they're relaxing, and they are elegant, and I think they relate very beautifully to Miami and the lifestyle that everyone wants to have.
If you look at the formal aspects of the building in terms of its sculptural nature, it's very fluid, it's very organic, that beautifully sculpted arrival court. All of that movement is consistent with the idea of its site, and then that found its way into the interiors. There are things that last forever. There are things that the quality never fades, and that's what we were looking for.
I work with my team to create functional family home. This is going to be a gym, kids club, cinema, private dining, and we have two great pools. We're going to build a marina there so you can keep your boats. I bring my team from Amman, who designed the spa for the building. The spa is going to be one of the signatures for this building. So we create the many areas which people can feel with the landscape, which people feel private and can enjoy relaxation.
The walkability of it, the access to the waterfront, the docks is tremendous.
I like this area because it's very private and established, close to Key Biscayne and Coconut Grove. So the combination of their modern, great building with all the great amenities and service, and this I call luxury living.